Huawei has taken the lead in China's smartphone market for the first quarter of 2025, pushing Apple down to fifth place. This marks a major comeback for Huawei, especially given the challenges it has faced over the past few years due to US sanctions. Yet, despite those hurdles, the company is now seeing major success in its home country, outperforming strong competitors like Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and Apple. According to a recent report by Tech Insights, Huawei shipped about 13.7 million smartphones in Q1 2025. That's not just a big number, it also translates to a massive 20% share of the Chinese smartphone market. Even more impressively, the report highlights that Huawei's year-over-year growth reached 30.9%, a clear sign that the brand is making a serious comeback and winning back Chinese consumers. So what helped Huawei climb back to the top? One of the biggest factors behind its success is China's smartphone subsidy program. This government initiative significantly lowered the prices of various Huawei devices, including the company's budget-friendly Enjoy series and the premium Pura X flagship. These attractive price cuts made Huawei phones more accessible to a wider range of users, resulting in increased sales across the country. Huawei's Pura X series, in particular, seems to be playing a key role in its renewed popularity. Despite a few issues, such as the recent file transfer glitch with air gestures, the foldable Pura X is still drawing attention and gaining traction in the premium market. The combination of cutting-edge hardware, innovation, and now more affordable pricing is giving Huawei a major competitive edge. In second place, not far behind Huawei, is Xiaomi. The company shipped 13.3 million units in the same quarter, capturing a 19.4% market share. Xiaomi continues to perform strongly, especially with its diverse product lineup that ranges from entry-level models to high-end flagship devices. But even with strong numbers, it wasn't enough to beat Huawei this time. Oppo came in third with 10.7 million smartphones shipped, giving it a 15.6% share of the market. Oppo continues to maintain a solid presence, especially among younger consumers who value design and camera capabilities. Vivo followed closely in fourth place, although the exact shipment numbers weren't specified in the report. As for Apple, it's been a tough quarter. After ranking second in the previous quarter, Q4 2024, Apple has now dropped to fifth place in China's smartphone rankings. The company shipped 8.7 million iPhones in Q1 2025, which still gives it a 12.6% market share, but it's clearly losing ground in a market that is becoming increasingly competitive and price-sensitive. There are a few reasons why Apple might be struggling. For one, its devices remain among the most expensive in the Chinese market, and Apple has not been part of the Chinese subsidy program. With local brands like Huawei offering similar or even better features at lower prices, many consumers are now rethinking their choices. On top of that, Huawei's rising popularity may also be tapping into a sense of national pride, encouraging people to support homegrown brands. Another factor could be Apple's slower pace in bringing new innovations to the table, especially compared to brands like Huawei and Xiaomi, which are constantly pushing the envelope with foldable phones, advanced camera tech, and AI features. While Apple still maintains a strong brand image and loyal user base, it may need to rethink its strategy in China to regain momentum. Overall, the Chinese smartphone market saw healthy growth in Q1 2025. Shipments rose by 9% year-over-year, reaching a total of 68.7 million units. That's a promising sign for the industry as a whole, especially after a few challenging years marked by global supply chain issues and economic slowdowns. As we move into the second quarter, it'll be interesting to see if Huawei can maintain its lead or if another competitor will rise to challenge its position. Apple, in particular, will likely work hard to climb back up the rankings, possibly by introducing new models, offering discounts, or launching region-specific campaigns. But for now, Huawei stands tall at the top, proving that it's far from out of the game. With strong support from the Chinese market, innovative products, and smart pricing strategies, the company is on a path to not just recovery, but dominance.